Okay, folks, we've got Black Gourd. So Amy's there. She's going to keep all the little boxes.
So pretty.
I think they're pretty, and she'll diamante them and decorate them. She's going to be our little sleeve girl. Slave girl. Can you open one? Oh, that one's already open.
Can I open some of those?
Not these ones.
I'm not impressed about that one.
Yeah. Oh well, this is why you can't open them, because I can't even open them.
Well, I'm the one with them now.
So these ones are very nice cards and extremely fragile. Those cases are sometimes hard to get out in. So to start us off, we've got a Bill Brace. Oh, Bill Brace! Oh, it made sense.
Here we go.
I've got one. Here.
That one you want to put like that, do
Hmm?
Then you want to do that?
We've got a Karl Malone auto to 60. Nice old school player. A Jerry Grant. I hope there's a New York Knicks fan out there like Jerry Grant, because I got heaps. And we've got a Wizards John Wall. Just grab sleeves. That would be Tiggles, I think, coming down this. Yeah, for the dog. We've got two Wizards players over there. That's gold, but very. You going to bed, Tig? Oh, just lay in bed with Mum then. What? I'm on video too, Tig, I'm live.
How did you figure out how to do it live?
You know what I mean. What are you doing? Upstairs on the couch. I'm going to open this one. This one's a bit ratty. That'd be monitoring.
See? These stupid fucking ones are awesome cards, always.
One of these. It's only John Wall, but that's very pretty.
Oh, the coin's bent.
No, that's how it's meant to be. That's not going to fit in a 180, is it? That's a 360 card. Ah! That's huge. Love that hit.
What, did you put down here too?
Very Nick Young to 99. We've got a. Someone just asked me. Yusuf Nurkic, sorry. Just sit there and be good, please. Amy, turn your phone off. No, just turn your phone off, please. And we've got a Chris Paul. I think that's the gold variant of CP3. Can't open them big cards. So these ones in?
You didn't want to break stretching. You stretch on the pretty ones that I would like, but you don't stretch
an accident.
I want those ones.
Yeah,
you
share.
share.
Brook Lopez base. Larry Nance Jr. to 199. Not much happening there. Shane Larkin from the Nets. And a Go-Bird gold base. Him, turn it off, please. Now. No, turn it off or go upstairs. Simple.
Yeah, like those ones for the book.
Okay.
That soon have that.
Alright.
You want to come upstairs for a second? Can you come back downstairs in a minute?
Can you give me a glass of cooling water, please? Yeah, I don't know one time. Clay Thompson. First nice hit is a D. Russell to 199 auto. G. Hayward. And the Raptor. Bosch. So first big hit, we'll go under the top loader. Actually 11 o'clock, we've actually gone longer because of those cats. Nice silver cousins. Brandon Knight to 99. It's not the Bucks you're looking for. Chris Middleton to 10. And a Larry Bird gold. I've got it.
Sorry for that, you just have to be seeing a busy brother.
Zimbabwe. That's a big, massive materials. Got one of those. Hope that's not our hit 10, because that's the ordinary, but the Russell's not bad. Probably a $50 card maybe hopefully a bit more than that. But it's going to take a lot to better that hat and the wind blade. So we've got Reggie Jackson, base bronze, Johnny Starks, auto, DeAndre, massive patch, and a gold Derek Nowinski. Probably should have retired, now he's making his legacy just really bad if he plays bad this year. All high numbered cards, 149s, 199s. I was going to get a box of Larks and a box of Absolute, a case of Larks and a case of Absolute, but yeah, you've got to draw a line at a point, so this high-end stuff was a last-minute decision to get, but paid off. A couple of 5 card packs in these. So we've got a Aflo base, a RJ Hunter null, we've got a Rudy Gobert to 99, and we've got a Robert Covington base gold. I'll sort all these out in depth later and do my little ACD cataloguing that I do. Oh, I find it nothing better than these acrylic cases to store your cards. So first I was a little bit upset, didn't get a gold Christian Thompson. It's a long shot to get what you want really in the case, looking for one card. Didn't actually get any Christian Thompsons. Definitely, oh god, Monte Ellis' face is being mushed in because of the line on the bronze. You just sit at the top there, it looks like a broken nose. Focus. Ooh, same sort of card as the Russell. This is the Okafor version. Okafor, sorry. 199, nice white, and that's the Kemba. Pretty card, and we've got a Farlow gold. Not bad, we've hit two of the main rookies. None of them will really shine until they really get into their careers though. That one upside down. Okay. A lot of more sort of rookies and mid-level players have seen these. I haven't seen much sort of high-end stuff get pulled out. Having just two base. When you get a 5-card pack, gives you more of a chance to get good ones. But a lot of players with Christmas tops on. You've got Marc Gasol, David Thompson, Vintage Gold. Ooh, that's not too bad. 25 little Fareed patch there. We've got an MCW gold base at the end. Hopefully the Bucks do really, really well. Delhi at the helm. I reckon he's still coming off the bench with the quality that they've got. Hopefully Thorne gets a good run. Thorne. Okay, so Jordan Clarkson bronze, Bill Laimbeer auto, looks like a Pistons case, DeMar DeRozan to 99, and a gold Harden. So not much happening, a bit far few between the big hits, like no 101s, no to 10s, no to 5s. Two rookies hit, but we're looking for something that pops the case hit. Obviously the case, one per case is the team emblem, but we wouldn't mind something a bit better than that. We've got 6 packs to go. And this feels a bit thicker. I think this might be a 5-card pack, which could mean it's got 3 base in it. Yep, 5-card pack. Okay, so we've got Tobias Harris bronze, Jonathan Simmons, another to 199 rookie debuts, Tyus Jones. Andre Jordan's been getting some hits tonight to 99, and we've got the Kevin Garnett gold, so nothing happening there. Maybe we used all our mojo with Nor, Preferred, and what was the other one? Spectra, and oh crap! I just lost all my sleeves. Didn't lose any out of the bag. How cool is that? Oh! Oops. That's a good one for camera. Smash your head, Tim. Another Tobias Harris. I don't rate him, I don't know why he got so much money. Oh, here we go. This is a hit. Wow. I am quite partial to Penny. 1 of 10. Jersey numbered. First card. Black gold signature. That definitely deserves one of these. And next we have a Miles Turner, just a jersey. Oh no, it's a little patchy, you've got like a seam, and a Pip, Scottie Pippen. What a nice Pippen t-shirt today. Nice little base set going there. If anybody's after the base and stuff like that, let me know. We can always work out a deal to sell them. Silver Superstar Roy Hibbert. Then we have a Bradley Beal patch. A bit different. Sizable signatures. I can understand if there was a big patch on those. Terry Rozier. Got a Blake Griffin. Like Bradley. Oh, LBJ. LBJ gold too. I don't know what the difference is between them. They should have numbers on them if they're base like that. It's a bit annoying. Silver's more like a platinum in the background. Pretty card. Sorry Terry, you're not good enough to get a top loader, you can just have a sleeve in the case holders. Okay, 3 packs to go. One really good hit, 2 good rookie hits. So the numbers are a bit high. Oh, Jeff T. Shouldn't have opened his mouth in game 1. the NBA Finals against LeBron. Turned around and said, not this year. So we've got a black gold signature Kent Blazemore. So 2 Hawks hits. Oh, pick and roll. The Dinosaur and Dwayne Wade. They're awesome cards. Got a nice patch of Anthony Davis on that one. And Tobias Harris. So far I haven't got too many redemptions. I'm actually pretty happy about that because I hate waiting for cards to come. But I assume when we get to the older products and the Letterman, which I've got to open as soon as possible before they all expire, so I get my cards and try and the reasoning behind getting 5 cases of Letterman was try and get as many as my master set as possible. Because I started off so well getting them, and I thought, why not try again? Looks like I've been abandoned too. My daughter's gone upstairs, running around. So. 2 packs to go. The big hit pile's not that big. If you're in a break, you'd be worried. I think you get a patch in one of these, and I think I've got a patch in this one, it's a bit thicker. Okay, so Pau Gasol, Moore, Brandon Jennings, Boban, Marjanovic. I think you picked up what the other guys. The Warriors. Blake Griffin, bigger patch, a jersey, and a gold Hardone. There's little white flies flying around your hand. Oh, the crap out of me. I don't think James Harden's too worried about winning titles as long as he's getting money. He seems like that type of selfish player to me. That's why the hobby really, I don't know, just doesn't seem like a team player. Pau Gasol's alright, getting old there. You should have a haircut. These take up heaps of room. You see them on the breaks and they just don't look like they've got heaps. So last packet, this is gonna need to have a big hit to redeem itself. Black gold one being brought ever again. We've got 4 cards. We've got a Dwight Howard. And we've got another, a Booker to 199. That's not a good enough hit, really, for a case. What's that one? But a Booker, 04 and D'Angelo hits. And we've got a Oubre Jr. massive patch, and we've got a Klay Thompson gold. So, black gold was pretty ordinary. We got the penny, which is pretty nice. We've got the 3 rookies. Bit hard to expectations of after the Noor and getting those 3 absolute boomer of a hits. But basically you got the Booker to 199, the Manimal patch, pretty ordinary, but to 25, the Okafor to 199, the Middleton patch, the Russell. So now we've covered all 4 rookies. We've got Porzingis, Russell, Okafor and Cat, and yeah, my favourite would have to be that. That's a huge hit from my eyes. But yeah, not what you'd be expecting out of a big case like black gold. Put these up here. Okay, okie dokie. We're going to need these sleeves for these ones. And strangely enough, my brother likes Dellavedova, and we haven't hit one Delhi card. And I like Sean Kemp, and I haven't hit one Sean Kemp. I don't really actively collect him, but you know, I give him a go when he needs it. The video's still going. So we'll do next. What's that there? There's Crusade. We'll do Black Gold. Sport for choice, really. Ozil just knocked everything down again. I've got 180 top loaders just sitting there. So I'm actually quite impressed with gold standards. The cards this year look pretty good. And I was always attracted to gold bars. So when you can get 12 gold bars, even though you only get one packet in them, still bloody marketed perfectly. Oh, computer screen a bit. Okay, others. Around 130, so I have to grab some 130s in a second. Gold bars. Kids love those boxes, I think I was saying. Also, a good reason why to live stream your stream your breaks is if you have a damaged card, it's very easy to tell Upper Deck and Panini and show them, look, I opened it here, this is where I got a damaged card from. So, we'll open 2 packs. Wow, that pack is thick. Insanely thick. Okay, let's do Black Gold. Put them out there. Use these things. We've got a McGrady base, Alonso, Marquise Morris base. We're all 299 anyway, but Rudy Gobert, gold, marble load, 19 of 90. Oh, I was just talking about it. Cover that up. 400 points Panini. I actually was wanting a few of those. Got a Nene 79. Oh my god. It's just sometimes luck of the draw. You can go through a break and get the Wolves or the Knicks and all the Lakers and not get anything, and then yeah, the next night it absolutely goes mental. Oh, come on. Don't tell me you're not going to fit in there. Oh, that's too tight. Jesus. If you're wondering, it's a Porzingis triple patch Light of God auto to 25. I put it in a 180. Oh, that fits a bit better on a 180. So I'm going to move a bit. But why open another box when you've got that? It's 25. It's Rama. Thanks for coming. Wow. Those patches are so nice. So, 400 points and Pazingas. Pretty stoked with that, and you've got your Govert and your... which ones are the small ones? Yep, there. It's in there, and you've got your Motherlode Govert. That's pretty nice. Actually, that's a pretty thick card. That's 100, I think. 1990. I wonder when he was born. Different day of his birthday. Now this one is mega thick. So they've got something really chunky in it. Oh yeah, wow. That's huge. I've never opened Gold Standard by myself, so I don't know what to expect. Okay, so we've got a 79, and I've opened it the wrong way. It's a 79 Tariki Evans. Fantastic. Another Nanny. So we've got a Nanny, Clay Thompson, and we've got a Russell Westbrook base. Might even go for the base editor. They're actually pretty much newly minted. Justin Anderson, Jarrell Martin, Sam Decker, Montrell Hazell. Quad, oh wow, that does look too nice. 25 quad. We've got a quad patches for all rookies. Redemption. I'd say the Pazingas is case here. It'd have to be. Wow, that is a sick card. Oh, this is a thick 96 point Rashad Vaughn rookie jerseys autographs double. Okay. And the last one was a Yusuf Nurkic to 99. This one's Gold Strike, which is the jersey. If it was a patch, I reckon it'd be 25. But that one is that one. There's a little number on there, thinks he's Michael Jordan. Okay, box 3 and 4. If you're wondering whether this is hard, oh, that's a hard card. This is a very, very soft padded case, so it doesn't do any damage. Ooh, we've got a Penny base, Tobias Harris base, and Kevin McHale base. Next card looks like we've got a Dino Raja jersey to 84. He used to be a good player. Little auto. Marks of gold. And tell me there's going to be a Montrell Hazell box. We have got a Montrell Hazell just patch, just jersey auto to 99. We just got all the patches. Shabazz Napier. Oh, 14 karat gold. Shabazz Napier to 99. That's a pretty card. And we got a Michael Carter Williams MCW to 79. Can we get one of those? I think I've got. Okay, this is really weird. still all off centre, and there's a redemption in that one. I've got an Ori, Robert Ori base, a Marcus Gasol base, and a Nick Young base. We've got a newly minted Rondo, patch, Hollis Jefferson, to 25, it's 15 of 25. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 part patch, that one. Our redemption is Stanley Johnson rookie triples autograph. Our autograph, our AU gold, is of Alfred Payton to 79. Not a bad card, that. I like his auto. I liked his auto on the spotlight card we got. And the base was a Julius Randle. That's a 79 to Julius Randle. So, not bad. Like I said, hard to top of Zinger. First box. It's probably the last box. Let's get them all out. That's a thick packet as well. Oops. Oh wow, they're both pretty thick. Hopefully we double patch on those ones. There's 2 thick ones in there. Okay, so the base Ben McLemore, Dennis Johnson, favourite of mine, and PJ Tucker. Dennis Johnson just used to wait till Larry Bird crossed the baseline and just boom, just hit him with fast, 2 easy points. Jody Meeks. Wow, he's a Pistons player in a Lakers jersey to 25. It is Jody Meeks, but still a very nice card. I have to put that in the top line. There's the other one. Out of these. Next one's a Lakers Anthony Brown's the jersey auto. Next one is a Gold Scripts 49 MKG Kid Gilchrist, and we've got a Dragic to 79 Goran. Let's have you name him Goran. You can see would have been a better name for him. The second one is thick as well. So we've got 4 to 25 cards down there. Oh, we've got a Ronnie Sakali on the front and a Ronnie Sakali on the back. So first up we've got base of Petrovic, Oladipo and Sakali. Old Draz on there. Paul Biden Carrickson. Tavo Cephalosha, good as gold to 99. Not very much happening in that one. Tyus Jones, another rookie to 199. Not much there. Ew, who's that guy? Wayne Embry, AU gold to 79, 73 of 79. I'd say that's when he played last. And Ronnie to 79. You can get these to 15, and I don't know whether you can do them any lower than that. Okay. Box 7 and 8. Zinger still the number 1 card there. That's a thinner pack. So it can have redemption or points in it. Hope that 400 points isn't in. Although 3,200 points would be good for me, so I can get some green and golds off the Panini site. Panini, Hardy. Oh, it's uploaded a second ago. Swallow my computer grabbing. Two thick ones, bit of curve on the base. We've got Bugart, Pippin, and Vucevic. All at $2.99. I like the Pippin old school card. Kenny Skywalker. Gold Strike to 99. Oh dear, the wrong Laker again. Anthony Brown. Oh, this one's to 49. I think the other one was to 99, wasn't it? Let's have a look. The other one was to 149. This one's more of a foil gold strike. Don't mind getting the bad rookies. Yeah, good cards. Ed Davis. Gold AU. Jeez. And we've got a Drazen Petrovic 79 card. I've got about 10 redemptions so far, so that's not too bad. Usually I open packets and they just come out my backside. There are 4 boxes to go in this one pack I've got sitting in front of me. We've got another Oladipo. Well, this one's only got 2 bases at the front. Another Petrock. We've got a Wilt Chamberlain. Oh, there's another base to $2.99. We've got a Wilson Chandler to 25 patch. We're getting good patches, but we're all bunnies. And we've got another Anthony Brown. This one's 25. We were going for the rainbow of Anthony Browns. This is unbelievable. I'm actually pretty amazed about this. That one's got a full Lakers name in it almost. Where is it? 149, 49, and 25 of Anthony Brown. 2 of the same there, 261. That one's 324. Very interesting. Could have been D. Russell. Would have been nice. And Ron Harper. Nice. Someone messaged me about the Bulls championship player autos. So I think that one's a goner. And oh, that one's a 15. Wilson Chandler. So yeah, no LeBrons, no Kobe's. Bit off, but the Zinger scared them all off, I reckon. His big Russian haircut. Dolph Lundgren look like. So 2 solid boxes to go after this. Looks like I'm putting gold bars in a bank vault down there. Steve Kerr, Joe Johnson, Dennis Rodman base. Oh, Dennis Rob's alright. Cedric Maxwell to 75. Oh, we got a Booker. It's in the right place to be a low number one too. Very good, Booker. Oh, it's to 99. Hopefully he does like the Anthony Browns do. The Booker's not bad. I got one, I'll put him in at one of these because he's a big rookie. Shane Larkin Mother Load. And an Allen Iverson to 79. Bit of AI love there. This will be the last 3 boxes I do for the night, I think, because I'm getting a bit tired. Oh, we've got 3 very thick ones in there. So we've got Jordan Clarkson, Wilson Chandler, and Brook Lopez. And we've got World B Free to 99. You're absolutely joking. So that was the first thick one. This is the second thick one for OKC. Kane Payne for 149. And we've got a Tony Allen to 99. Got an MCW to 79. I think that's the second one we got of that. Last 2. Come on, big hit. Big hit. We've got a 1 to 15, I think. What's that? That's 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, and 99, and we got 1 15 card, so I don't class a 25 as a big hit. Pretty common number these days. And the last card's Hakeem, which is a 79, which is hopefully good luck. Let's see who we got for our base. Henderson, Reggie Jackson, George Gervin. Oh, we've got a dual player. Number 2, Griffin and Baron Davis patch to 25. And I'm out of top loaders. Is she leaving me there? No. Okay, that one's got to go on the top loader. Sorry. Nice. Moutier. Man, this boy saves a lot. To 199, Moutier. And next card is Jonas Valanciunas, AU Gold to 79. And we've got 1 of 79. I love the logos, how they're imprinted on the back. Hakeem, the Dream. So the Blake Griffin and the Moutier big, but still no low numbered hits. Apart from that Wilson Chandler, which is shyster. Okay, Vucevic, Nikola, Christian Laettner and Terrence Jones base. We've got a 3-player Moutier, Hazonas, Kristaps, Oh wow. This one's to 15. Kristaps and Moutier delivering the goods. Wow. Good card. And next one we've got a Trey Lyles to 149 rookie auto. Ooh, we've got a Blake Griffin auto by the looks of it. Second last card is a 14k Blake Griffin to 40. 35 of 40. Very nice. I'm about that. It's very nice. And Nick Batum, who played really crap for France, to 79. Let your home country down, buddy. Base. Okay, let's put these up here. I'll show you the hits out of this one. So we've got Blake auto we just saw. We've got the triple to 15. The Moutier. The Blake Griffin to 25. Going top loaders. The Booker to 99. Could have been better, but that's a sick patch to 25. And the Wilson Chandler to 25. Then we had the 4-player rookie bench to 25. And we had the Jody Meeks for the Pistons in the Lakers uniform to 25. And the Rondo Hollis Jefferson rookie to 25 there. And of course we had the Bazingas to 25. 15 of 25 in fact. So all in all that's not too bad. 2 big Porzingis cards, a couple of Blakes. Put them in top loaders. Okay, thanks. If I do any more, I'll just put the video up later, and we'll do probably a bit more tomorrow night. I think my brother wants to come around after seeing what I hit tonight and have another crack. Thanks very much. Thanks everybody for having a look at the video and having a look at the cards on Austrader. Thanks very much. Have a good night.